Here's my part 6 for lower ball joint. Part for one, we still can't get the clip in there, so it's too big. So now we got a piece here. We're going to put the piece that lets it through, the stud go through. We're going to grab a piece that's bigger than the ball joint just a little bit. Let the ball joint go through. We're going to put another one of those caps on. Or ball joint doesn't go that much through, so we can put this on. Save some space. We don't got room for one of those caps. Let's see if we got room. We should. These little caps on. Tool. And the stud's sticking through there, which is where we want it. We gotta have this piece on so it doesn't push against there. Okay, looks like the only thing we're gonna be able to put on is the skinny one, which is fine. Yeah. Make sure she's nice and square. Make sure she's getting on the outside of the ball joint, not the inside or the rubber. And get yourself a nice socket. I don't like to use impacts with these. I do not. I want to see it go in square. And there she is, going nice and firm in case she goes cockeyed. Too late. And the stud's still in the center. There we go. Just go nice and even. Of course, make sure you have the ball joint out. I mean the grease fitting out. Now we're sticking. So hold on, we're gonna pause it while we double check what's wrong. Okay, we got her back on. I think this was a little off center. So I don't like to use impacts when I'm doing this. These things cost money. Just going in nice and tight. And beautiful, look at that, beautiful. The cup is starting to go a little on the outside, which is fine. Should have no gap. That's it. Any more, this cup will go over. Don't try to use exhaust pipe for adapters. It breaks instantly. I tried that before I rented the kit. Okay. So we have one with a hollow point through it. This is hollow, this is hollow. Through there. And all the way through there. Okay, there's where the clip will go. Now we'll grab a clip. And make sure so you there we go. Use your snap ring pliers. And if it doesn't go down all the way, just take your hammer. Done. The upper one goes the same way, but we're missing a piece. Or ours is too big to go in there. It keeps falling out. The lower one should be 1 3/4 retaining ring, in case you lose it. The upper one is a little bit smaller. So that's pretty much it. This is part 6. Lower ball joint. It takes a few minutes. Boom. Make sure you put the fitting on. Some of these have special ways they're supposed to go. These don't matter. The trick is to put your grease fitting on first, see where it tightens up to, because these only can tighten so far. And whichever direction it goes, so where it's tight, just mark it so you can put it in the ball joint. You can drop the ball joint in direction that the grease fitting will go to the back or to the side. You really don't want to go to the front because you can't really play with the tightness of these. These are thin metal. There's not many grease fitting threads in there. So hopefully that helps you. There's putting in the lower end pretty easy once you have everything out the way. Thank you for watching.